Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw the First Order Stormtrooper from Star Wars. So let's go in there, at the top. What I'm going to do is draw this helmet. I'm going to do a full body shot. So I'm going to go up to the top here. Just put a dot at the top there. Okay, that's going to be the top of the helmet. What I'm going to do is just cascade down from the right hand side first of all. So just a nice curve coming down this way, like the top of the helmet. And on this side, so we'll try and continue that curve around and down to about there. Okay, let's just continue this area now. So I'm gonna come downwards here. It kind of comes out a little way here and then just kind of sort of comes in at an angle first of all, then continues a little bit down there, up towards here, back down, around, and then we'll just curve it in up to that top area there, okay? It's a nice little smooth motion. This part here, there's a little sort of similar bit on the other side there. It's kind of looking out of a bit of an angle, right? So I'm just gonna pop in like the visor area. So the main visor area probably comes from about this point here. Just gonna draw a nice curve right along the edge of that. Now along the top of that, there's another little hint of this curve. So I'm just going to pop a couple of little lines in there just for detail. The eyes come down this way, sort of like little sunglasses almost like, right? So I'm going to come down this way, bring my pen up, come back down and around like that. What I will do is just sort of again, just give a nice little hint of, like it's like a borderline there. Also this sort of top bar is fairly thick in there. And then there's another little sort of area that kind of dinks up in the middle here. So it comes down sort of this way. So first of all, just fill it in a little bit on this right hand side. Gonna come down at a nice diagonal angle like this, nice chunky black line. Then we're going to come upwards to a top point here, nice and curved, and down like that. Just going to go back along there, just sort of fill in that top bit a little bit, so it's a little bit tapered. Then what I'm going to do is just bring in my line this way again. So we've got this nice, sort of almost like a little W, yeah? Then we see a little bit more right here, so I'm just going to draw in a little chip of a triangle there and just going to fill that in. Now just below it, there's a few little detail lines going in here, a few little detail lines over here, sort of like little vents, I suppose. And then we've kind of got, coming up here, just the edges. So just a nice little edge that comes around here. There's also a little circular element around there. So it's going to pop a little circle in there. Just get the slightly chunkier pen out, just gonna fill in this area around here, around there, maybe just leave a little chip of light coming over this side so we know it's like a reflective sort of glasses element around there. Okay, right, that's really starting to look like Stormtrooper. Let's have a look at the shoulder elements now. So I'm gonna come out either side, first of all, like look at his body armor. So I'm just gonna come out from this point here, and from this point here. And then this kind of swoops down to the upper torso. So on the right hand side, just gonna swoop it down to about here. And on this side, down to about here. Now there's two little curves that come out that meet up to this point. So go up to about here, just curve your pen down to about there. And from about here, just curve your pen down to about there. And then we can just flow the upper torso bit. It just comes out a little bit more of outwards either side. So it just comes outwards like that. Then there's a nice arc that just links the two lines up. And bring my pen out nice and steady. There we go, just draw a nice little arc there. Now in the center of here, we've got a little bit of kind of detail just coming in here. Just a hint of that. A few little lines along here, so let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. And then there's almost, as we come into this point, just like a little sort of diagonal dink there. Under here there is just the neck area, the under part of the helmet, so I'm just going to fill it in like that. Alright, it's starting to look like the First Order Stormtrooper now. I'm going to continue with the torso. So the lower torso comes down, there's a couple of like belt areas, so I'm going to come inwards here, just drive my pen in downwards like that. Now I've got a few little rectangles, so I'm just going to just draw like 1, 2, 3 like that. Go along here, there's a wider one around there, and then we've got one popping out on the edge over this way. Okay, as we go down a bit more, we've got the belt area, so there's a couple of packs that come out even further. So I've got one sort of rectangle here, got another rectangle sort of popping out around this way, and then I've got a lighter pack that kind of pops out. It's a little sort of rectangular area, and then another little rectangle there. Just a few rectangles here. They just taper out a little bit as well. Then I can just draw the belt area. So what I'm going to do is just come out from that edge just underneath where we just drawn with those rectangles. Just a couple of little lines going along here. And then I'm just going to fill in the middle of that. Just sort of curve the edges a little bit around there, and actually that comes in here and here, and we've got a nice little belt element. We're now going to look at the legs. So the midsection here, it's almost like his Stormtrooper underwear. Comes down to about this point here. So I'm going to come in from about the midsection of this white point here, come in down there, curve it around and up there. Then we'll go down a bit more. We'll just draw a line either side of that, and then just join that up. One there, join up, one there. Now I'm quite happy to start drawing the legs. So the first part of the armor comes down to about here. This is the upper leg element. Just go from this line down here. I'm just going to draw a nice, slightly curved line down here. And on this side, slightly curved line down there. And then we're just going to draw a little wibbly line there. This side we're going to kind of come down to here, so one line I guess comes down about here, one line, that middle part there, taper it in a slight amount, and again it almost sort of wibbles down that way. There's a little pack element on the edge here, so just draw a little rectangle, block that in. And then we've got the black area before the knee pads, so I'm just going to draw 2 lines sort of like behind that armor, and now I can draw the pads. So I'm just going to draw a nice sort of curved out element around there, and a nice sort of curved out element around that way there. Just join that up there, and then we'll just draw another little chip underneath that. 1, 2, like that. Then I'm going to continue, just come down to the shin area of the leg. So I'm going to bring it out ever so slightly and then taper down. And on the side, come out slightly where the calf is and taper down. Then we can just draw a little band, and it kind of flares out just before the feet. So 1, 2, join it up. On this side, so down to about this point, we're going to again, I guess just bring it out a bit here and in. And up here, just bring it out a bit, taper in there. Again, join it up, just a couple of little flared bits there and around like that. Let's just fix this bit here. Actually, I'm quite keen to want to draw those, fill those areas in with the black pen. So just fill these bits in here. Just block them in. Nice, that's good. Oh yeah, and these bits up here too. Just block a little bit there, and a little bit there, starting to really look like Stormtrooper now. Let's just do those shoes. So I've got 2 feet coming out either way here, sort of grounding our character. So it's going to come out probably about to here. So let's go from the outer part. We're just going to come downwards the front of the foot, around here where the toe is, nice and steady around, back to the heel and up. And then we'll just sort of chunk in a nice chunky sole on that boot area. Same thing here, I'm gonna just come in a bit here, come down and around to about that point there, around there to a heel and up. And then once again, we'll just sort of draw in a nice blocky bit at the bottom for the sole. Okay, there's a little bit of detail to go, but I want to really get those arms in. So let's look at the shoulder areas. We'll go back up to the top here, back up to here. Just drawing a line there, and a line there. This is like the under armour. And then what we can do from here, we can pop it up, draw a nice chunky shoulder pad, comes down to there. Tapers up here, a bit more in and up. On this side again, come up. Pop your pen out, a bit more of a diagonal line, bring it up like that. Cool. Next up, we've got the upper arm here. So I'm just gonna bring my pen here, sort of chip it off there. And I've got armor coming down sort of this way, the upper area, around there and up. Let's do the same on this side. So that can go from back here, we're just gonna chip it down there. Then come down this way and curve it around and up. Then we've got the midsection where the crease of the arm is. So I'm gonna come in a little bit, just draw 2 lines, and this side, 2 lines there. And then back over to the right, I'm gonna draw a nice wide curve like that. And then I'm gonna come inwards here and inwards here. Bring it out. There's a little bit more of a pack on the inner part here, so it's going to come outwards here like that. Let's do this side. So again, I'm going to just curve my pen around here, join it up, then taper it in here, come out, up in a little bit, and then just outwards that way. So I've got those nice arms in there. Then I'm going to do the glove element. So he's got his hands creased, and I'm going to draw the thumb first. So go into this point here, just about there. Bring it round for a little thumb area, around like that. There's a white sort of rectangle pad there. And we'll just clip that in there. And then what we can do is just give a nice hint of the rest of the fingers sort of around it, creased around there. On this side, again, we'll draw the thumb element, sort of coming down here, around like that. We've got a nice chunky white bit there, just block it, join it up there. And then around here, we can just draw a nice sort of curved round element for the hand. What I will do next is just fill in these bits here, these under armour parts. I've got one bit here, one bit there, and then that thumb area, just fill it right in here. As we go to this side, again, we can just fill in here, and in this point here. And then that thumb bit. And what I will do is just sort of chunk around, just bring to life the very edges of my character. Give them a bit more oomph and emphasis around those edges. Like around the shoulder pads here. Just bring them all together. And this will make the detail pop in a moment. Just sort of make sure I've got those bold lines all in there for the Stormtrooper. There we go, nice chunky lines there. Let's just go back around that one. And then what I can do is just look at a few little bits of detail. So we can just sort of add a few little sort of rounded little points around here. So just in this torso area here, there's a couple of lines up. Just a little bit of detail goes a long way here. So a couple more little lines here, going up here. There's a couple of little rounded points, just sort of draw those in. Again, we can just give a little sort of dink around, sort of give it a bit of character. It's quite a sort of basic, sort of black and white picture. So any little extra little bits of detail in there, sort of just to pop in. A few little lines, quite nice. Around here, there's a couple of little sort of rectangular tags to pop in. And you just sort of just go around and just draw in a few little sort of lines around our character. It starts bringing that drawing to life, makes it a bit more sort of comic booky. And for me, it sort of makes the picture. So shoes, I think there's almost like little bits that go up here, but again, I'm gonna just go around the edge. And then these are almost like little sort of 3D bits. So just sort of fill these bits out here. It's a little square there. And then there's a pack on the right hand side there, just here. So what I will do is sort of fill this bit in here. Just leave a little chip on the edge. And then this part here is like a pocket. So I'm just gonna fill that in there. Like that. The rest I can just fill in later. Yeah, and I think I'm pretty happy with that. Maybe just a little bit in there. Maybe just a little hint where the light goes round on the edge on this side. Just a few little dinks, and you don't have to do these bits, but they're quite like fun little bits to do, really, I find. Yeah, and that's looking really cool, right? There we go. That's the First Order Stormtrooper. Let me know what you think with the Star Wars season. Let me know who to draw next, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.